Small Brother House, My High, Taytay Falls. This is the Amakan Cottage. Actually, not cottage, Amakan Home. This is the parking. And my view, magandang view ng Palayan. Pwede mag-bonfire. At yan ang room. House pala, house. So pakita ko muna ang view dito sa Amakan Home. Yan. Cottage plus amazing view. So pwede kang tumambay sa morning, coffee, while enjoying the view. Nature view. And now, let's go inside the house. So meron tayong access door sa likod at sa harap. At meron na rin tayong mga chairs and tables outside. Yan. Okay. Pagpasok natin sa loob, ito yung dining area.
Hi!
May kasamang ref, fridge,
Grabe, sobrang ganda ng bahay.
and TV.
Hindi ko
Yan.
akalain, hindi ko to
Ayan
in-expect.
yung
Maganda na siya sa picture pero
door access sa
grabe
likod.
pala.
And meron tayong dalawang CR, comfort room.
Ang ganda ng kusina.
Yung first comfort room. There you go.
Ate,
Napakaganda na.
kung ano gagawin ko dito kung lalagay pa sa
Yan.
lalagay ko rin sa air o hindi.
Yan. And shower room.
Ito yung, tingnan mo yung nilagay ko.
This is the shower room. Napakaluwag. Yan. Yan.
Namigis sa toilet. Alam mo, dalawang toilet kayo.
Second toilet.
Hindi para sa'yo.
There you go. Second toilet. And so, here is the kitchen. Yan. May kasamang oven, rice cooker. May kasama na ring free na water, mineral water, kalan, LPG. Kasama na rin libre gamit and utensils. Utensils and plates. Yan. Wala ka nang dadaling iba. Yan. May kasama kaldero na rin. Yan. Okay. Punta tayo sa rooms. Okay.
Ito, nandito daw.
First room. This is a non-aircon room. Electric fan lang. Pero sabi nung nagasi sa amin, malamig na raw dito sa gabi. Yan, may TV rin dyan. Yan, so marami nang makakahiga dyan. And aside from non-aircon, we have two air-conditioned room. Excuse me. Yan. First air-conditioned room. Yan. Hi, Kale. Oh, may cabinet na rin. Yan. Okay. King size bed sa baba. And I think double bed sa taas. Yan. May aircon na. May electric fan pa na dalawa. Yan. So, siguradong hindi ka may initan. And then may kasamang cabinet na rin. Okay. Next room. Here we go. Same setup. May may conditioner and dalawang electric fan and cabinet. And king size sa baba. I think it's either double or queen size sa taas. I think it's queen size. Yeah. So this room can accommodate, I think, 6 packs. 6 packs or 2 rooms and additional room. Yun. Pwede ka mag-rent ng video. Okay. Yan.
Grabe, may
Here's the table. Yan, mamaya bibidyohan natin yung Taytay Falls. So, see you later guys. Bye-bye.